Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how to transcribe words in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'll be using a video I shot at my office of a lady talking about to join our channel on YouTube. So let's create a new project and let's import the video. So we have a video here. So I'm bringing it to my timeline. So this is supposed to be a resize. So I'm going to try and just quickly change my secret settings to turn it to bananas and trends to more like vice versa, so that we have that ring size feel for the likes of Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or TikTok. And then we rotate our image to 90. So now let's continue. I'll drag my object, then I'll try and cut it to where she started talking. Yep. Alright, so I did. I had any text, a big text, and then you click on transcribe sequence. Also, if you don't find text, you can just go to Windows and then use the text there, and then you click on transcribe sequence. Now, all of the audio and videos have like an alphabet attached to it. So we have A1, A2, A3, A1. So you check the timeline that your audio is on. In my case, it's A1, so I'm going to say A1, and then they're going to rate until it creates auto transcription. I'm checking, finding the line. And then we are done. So basically, there are some things that actually go wrong when it's basically an AI that's just trying to dictate what you're saying and putting it in words. So this is like an audio to words. So there's still lots of things to like change. So she actually said that, hey guys, this is Rena Creatives, and what we have here is that looks like something. So let's change it to sorry, she mentioned her name actually. So this is Alowonle Titilayo Joy. So welcome to Rena Creative, not Rana Plaza. So it's this feature actually allows you to edit your content. The one that isn't get right, you'll be able to edit it by just double clicking on the text. Then it allows you to be able to edit it. And this is me wishing you a happy and a blessed new month. Okay, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. No sustain. I think to be the first to partake in our educating and interesting content. Thank you. So I'm going to change that to you double click and down to, so I'm going to change it to be the first to partake in our educating and interesting.
It was like extending the men's state.
Content. Thank you. And then you're done. So that's how you transcribe. Then you click on create caption to load your caption on your timeline. So this doesn't take a while, and then we are done. So when you play a video, you see it on your footage. So thank you guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Alowole Titilayo Joy. Welcome to Rena Creatives, and this is me wishing you a happy and a blessed new month. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be the first to partake in our educating and interesting content. Thank you.